what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So just a little quarantine update. Let me show you my nails. It's been 3 days so far, and I took the nail polish off, by the way, so my nails look like this. I decided to leave my nails like this just for the simple fact that I don't really know how to paint my nails, and I prefer them like this, just simple, whatever. Not gonna lie to you, but this one actually popped off, and that was because I'm always a beast. Everyone knows this. Like, I'm just a savage. I just be grabbing things and yanking things open. As you can see in the video before, when I actually did my nails, I was like struggling to open something up, and I get really frustrated. So I was doing something, trying to open something, and I was like, oh my god, and I went like that. So when I went like this popped off, but I just glued it back. It wasn't going to come off if I didn't act like a savage. So far 3 days is really good, especially like, let's just say you needed to go out somewhere quickly and you don't have time to get your $60 $70 set for $12. That was really good. My hair is being like so annoying today. I don't know why. Like, this side is just whatever. Honestly, who cares? So yesterday I went to Target and I bought a couple of things. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what I'm going to be doing, but I'm gonna be starting a project April 29th. My products come in, so that is next Wednesday. Today is, what's today? Oh my god. So today is Wednesday, so a week from today, the rest of my products that I ordered are going to come in. I'm going to be starting a new project. I'm so excited. I want to make everything custom to what people like, and then I would like to sell it. So that's all I'm going to say so far. I did go to Target yesterday, like I said, to get a couple of things. So I'm going to be showing you that in this video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so one of the first items that I bought are these little plates. These little paper plates, and they are a pineapple. So it could be used as, I mean, pineapples are really cute. It comes with 10 of them. Pineapples are cute, but let's just say I don't want a pineapple. Or let's just say I want it all white, since my room is all white and pineapple is not really like a theme in here. I can just paint it, and then I can use it as like a little necklace, ring holder, or something like that. I could put a couple of my makeup products. It could be like on my desk. Well, not my desk. I have this sewing machine desk type of thing. I do my makeup on it. But eventually I would like a vanity. Just not right now. Another thing that I bought besides those plates are these glitters. This is like for my project, by the way. So I bought these glitters. The blue, this is my favorite. This hot pink is so freaking lit. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Then I have this blue glitter, and then another hot pink, but this is like, you know, a little bit bigger. Circles. Now for the other gems that I have, I do have a pack of gold glitter that a friend of mine gave me, but it's put away, so I'm gonna be using that too. So then I have these butterflies. Hope you can see it. A couple different colors in there, and then I have these unicorns and rainbows, and what else? There's something else in here. Clouds, I think. Oh, I hope these are clouds. That'll be so cute. I could have sworn I saw clouds, I swear. Okay, so I guess unicorns and rainbows. I could have sworn they were clouds. Unicorn heads. That's really cute. So I have that. Oh, my stepfather's been working every day. I'm thinking about pranking him. I hope he doesn't want, no, he watches my videos all the time, but since he's been working, he watches it on the weekends, and since today's Wednesday, I'll prank him before Friday night. I'll prank him before Friday night so he doesn't notice that I said it in this video. So I bought this glue, and I'm thinking about like placing it on my body or something, and then be like, oh my god, you know when it gets really gross? Like, I don't know if you guys were one of those kids who put glue all over your hands and then watched it like peel. Not watch it, but you know, watch it harden and then you peel it. I was one of those annoying kids who did that. So I'm thinking about doing that. I saw a prank like months and months ago. It was really funny. So you just put that all over your body and then you're just like, oh my god, I used your products in the bathroom, or I used a new soap and it's making my skin like, you know, peel. It looks really gross. So I'm thinking about doing that. So I bought that glue. I bought these two eyeliners that are really good. I always use this one. I haven't used this one. This is waterproof, so I can't wait to do that. I used to always have like a black liner and then put a white wing under the black wing, and that looks really cute. So I bought these two. By the way, I'm just wearing my Champion sweater. It was a really long like Champion sweater all the way down here, but I decided to cut it into whatever this is. So that's what that is. And then I just have like a bralette, really comfortable, really stretchy, with the matching, you see it? The sign right there. Okay, so I have that on. Anyway, back to what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna sit down because I got super lazy out of nowhere. But I bought this fake plant just because I think like my room was missing some sort of green. I know I need real plants, but real plants will be amazing. I just, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna add some fake plants to my room just to give it a little spice because my room was missing something. So I bought this one, which was $20. My grandmother has this one in her apartment and it lasts a very long time, obviously, because it's fake. It just gets really dusty, so you gotta remember to clean it. And then I bought this little cute one for $5. Bring them a little bit close. They look super rare. I'm not like kidding. How freaking cute. If you guys like have any suggestions on where exactly I should place it, I'm gonna turn my camera around and just give you a quick, well, I already gave a room tour, but just so you can see that I've been keeping up with it. The only reason why all of this is up there is because I was trying to learn how to sew. Let me just move the camera now. So all of my makeup usually is over here, and then I've been having this cleared up and the sewing machine has been under. But since I've been trying to use it, I'm not even gonna say. So I went on YouTube and I found a video on how exactly to set this up. So I was able to set this up. This is the Brother embroidery and sewing machine. So it does have an embroidery. This is the other piece to it. You will attach it over here. So let's just say you wanted a butterfly. I wanted a butterfly in the middle of this. I can get a picture of a butterfly. It'll show here. You'll pick the stitching. And then it will do its work. And then I'll have a butterfly right in the middle. So that's that. Really cool. Really cool. So whatever. I learned how to set it up really quickly. And I made one line. So I have to learn how to get my lines to be straight and stuff like that. But I took this towel. And my line is super crooked. But the point is to have it, you know, keep going and going and going without stopping. And then, you know, no pulls and stuff like that. So I think I did pretty good for my first time. That's that. No, let me hang this back up. I've been really trying to keep my room clean, so I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna actually put this back on the bottom. Am I gonna do that? I don't know. I really need to figure out a spot. I really want to figure out a spot for this because I know my makeup is here. This, like, I don't know if I want them like next to each other. I think it'll look better somewhere like apart. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Comment below. Comment below where you guys think I should place it. I don't know if maybe I should, when I take this out, if I should place it up there so it doesn't have to be so empty. But let me show you the rest of my room. So I still make my bed every single day. I have to bring these cups down. Like I said in my last video, well, not my last video, but the video of me like reorganizing my room, I always have freaking cups of water. I don't really drink anything else besides water, if I'm quite honest. What else? In my past vlogs, like maybe like a month or two ago, I was in my kitchen and you can see that I have a cookie jar that my mom does, and she sets the cookies up really nicely. And yeah, we have like 2 of them, the Oreos and the chocolate chip cookies. So now a little bit further away, like by the sink area, she has a vase of fake lemons, and it looks so pretty. It makes the kitchen look really, I don't know, like it's a real nice aesthetic. Shout out to my uncle who always gets me the best gifts. Like, he's literally the best gift giver ever because he pays attention to what a person is interested in or what a person would like. He's not just like, oh, I'm gonna give you this $25 gift card, $50 gift card, you know, get what you want. Very thankful when I get money because I do get to buy what I want. It's just like a little like, oh my god, that's really nice of you to think I would like this, because I would like it. Anyway, he got me these LED strip lights. I'm pretty sure if you play your music with this, it goes with the music. I'm almost pretty sure. I swear this is the one. But anyway, this is the LED strip lights. And I have no idea where to place it. I feel like this would be really cool for like my TikTok videos. Around my mirror, I swear it will look like so cool there. But I would need an extension cord all the way to my mirror because I don't have one. And yeah, I don't know where to put it. So it comes with this little remote where you could change the colors, or you could just have it where it flickers all different colors. You have the flashlight, the strobe light, the fade light, and smooth. So I'm really excited to set it up. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I've seen a lot of different videos online where people place it. Just unsure, do you know what I mean? Like, there's so many different spots. I just have no idea. Anyway, that is it for this video. It was just really quick. It was just a little update. I actually want to film a video with my parents, like my mom and my stepfather, and have them sit next to me, and I have to see who knows me better. So I'll ask a question and they'll write it down on a paper, and whoever puts it up first and answers first, they have to get it right too. They get a point. I'm thinking now that'll be really cool because you guys think my parents are really funny, and they are. I'm not gonna lie, they're something else. I don't know if funny is the word, but they are something else. So I think the video will be a success. I think it'll be funny, and I really want to know who does know me best because they really both know me well. So I don't know how, not really sure how that video will turn out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. My nose is running away. No, stop. My mom is washing the freaking tub, so she's making a lot of noise. So this is the perfect time to stop the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment below any video suggestions, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys return to my channel. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!